Okay, so how close am I to this? It is spring, you're stuck in your house, you know you got too much stuff and stuff you don't use, so we're gonna declutter. We're gonna start in the kitchen, we're gonna take everything out of the cupboards one by one, see what we can get rid of, and put everything back that we're gonna keep, and then we're just gonna go room by room, day by day. All right, what is our strategy here? I think we want to put all the things that are almost finished at the front that are easy to grab so that we finish those first. And then we'll put like crackers together, chips together, candy together, jars together. All right, we just found some icing that apparently expired in 2017. It is 2020. I'm pretty sure when I moved out of my mom's house that she just gave me all the stuff she didn't want, which includes icing and like pumpkin pie filling, and I don't even like pumpkin pie, so that's great. This is something I have been keeping since 2015. I bought this bottle of wine in South Africa and I was saving it for a special day, like the day I got married. And then we were in such a rush I forgot to open it. So now I'm just still saving it and I don't know what for, but it's too special to get rid of, so. Okay, this mug really is not my vibe, not my style, but my mom got it for me one day. She was just thinking of me. So I keep it because it reminds me of her and it's just really nice, and she knows that llamas and alpacas are my favorite animal. Alright you guys, we finished the kitchen. This is why I wanted to go room by room, because I'm exhausted and I'm so over decluttering for today. But I think we made pretty good progress. I didn't think we were gonna get as much decluttered as we did, so that's good. Something I'm a bit sentimental about is cards. I've kept a lot of cards and most of these were from our wedding and my bridal showers. So I didn't get rid of them, I just moved them to a place where they wouldn't collect dust. Alright, we are in the bedroom. This is the next room we're gonna declutter. This might be one of the hardest rooms because we keep a lot of sentimental items in here, like in our bedside tables. You know, sometimes you find a piece of clothing that you really loved at one point and you think you're gonna love again, but you may not, so. Okay, next we've got the bathroom. Our bathroom is pretty small. If you saw our apartment vlog, you saw that we don't have a lot of storage in the bathroom. We keep it pretty minimal. So we're just gonna go through these containers. Davey said he already has been through his, so just my 2 containers and the medicine cabinet. I didn't actually end up getting rid of anything. I just reorganized and cleaned, which felt great. All right, you guys, we are on day, I don't know, 17 of quarantine, so my lashes are gone, I look like a child. And we're on to one of the harder rooms in the house, the office. And this is also where we've been keeping all of the stuff that we've decluttered so far to either sell or donate, either in here or in the kitchen. So I'm gonna give you an update about what it looks like.
This is the office halfway through decluttering. Most of what you see is boxes and boxes that Davey keeps to resell his stuff.
Okay, it's time to tackle the beast, our storage room. It's pretty crazy that all of this stuff fit in that tiny storage room. We knew this was going to be the craziest one to deal with. We also saved this because we didn't want to waste water for camping, and it was full when we put it in there, and now it's empty and it's dripping on my foot. We don't know where all this water went. It's 10 liters worth of water that disappeared.
We unpacked everything from our storage room and brought it into the house so we had more space to go through it all and also reshuffle some items. We found a lot of items had been shoved in here or there throughout the months that belonged in a different container or had all of a sudden been split into 2 different containers.
Okay, so we've basically completed everything we brought into the living room. We combined 2 kitchen boxes into 1 kitchen box with a few miscellaneous items to be replaced. All the art stuff we reorganized and packaged better. I consolidated my keepsakes into 1 box instead of 2. And then we've got a Christmas box and some kids stuff that we will figure out how to store. But these are all our empty boxes. Hopefully you can see them. So, doing pretty good.
A lot of what we keep in the storage room is seasonal like most people, so we also made sure to label each container in detail so we know what's in where when we go looking for it.
You guys, we did it. I think that took like, I want to say over 2 hours. We managed to get so much reorganized, a few things donated, not that many, which is kind of surprising. It really does feel so much better and it's gonna look so much cleaner in there, I hope.
Then everything we kept went back into the storage room. I want to encourage you guys to take this time to accomplish something you don't always feel you have the time for. It felt really good to say goodbye to some items that we no longer feel serve us or have found a replacement for. Decluttering not only cleans your space, but also somehow makes your physical body feel lighter. In the description, I've listed some of my favorite resources that might inspire you to declutter. See you next week.